The best way to learn Chinese is to learn Chinese like a native. How to learn Chinese like a native? You only need 3 steps here. The step 1 is to watch the video playlist for beginners. This step can be done in 5 months. And after you finish it, you'll be able to understand Chinese. In this step, you cannot read and need to use your ears to learn Chinese like a baby from 0 to 3 years old. You need to make connection between sound information and the real world. When you hear a Chinese pronunciation, you should immediately understand what it means. The step 2 is to watch intermediate playlists. This step can be done in 10 months. After that, you'll be able to think in Chinese and speak in Chinese in your daily life. In this step, you will need to learn Chinese using your ears and mouth like a 3 to 6 year old. Immersion learning in various scenarios and imitation speaking are necessary. In addition, you will need to learn Pinyin and some basic Chinese characters. The step 3 is to watch the advanced playlists. After this, you'll be able to work and study in a foreign Chinese environment. In this step, you will need to use your eyes to read, your ears to listen, your mouth to speak, and your hands to write, just like a native child over 6 years old. By learning Chinese characters and culture, your formal Chinese comprehension and expression skill will improve. The 3-stage playlist will cover the entire process of a Chinese person learning Chinese. Chinese Way keeps posting new videos to complete the playlists. As you learn with Chinese Way, you will find that Chinese is the easiest language in the world. All kinds of difficulties Chinese learners encounter, such as tongues, Chinese characters, and grammars, come from the wrong learning order and methods. If you learn Chinese like a native speaker, all the difficulties will disappear. You don't need to work hard to memorize words, distinguish synonyms, and analyze grammar. All you need to do is watch the videos and go from beginner playlist to intermediate playlist, and from intermediate playlist to advanced playlist. It's a painless learning process.